Luoyang Baiwei Intelligent Technology Co., Ltd., is a professional provider of one-stop hardware and software solutions for smart lockers. The company integrates hardware and software R&D, sheet metal manufacturing, global sales, and operations and maintenance services, and is committed to providing efficient, intelligent, and convenient smart storage solutions to customers worldwide. Our main products include smart parcel lockers, smart luggage lockers, smart rental lockers, smart laundry lockers, smart food delivery lockers, smart key lockers, smart cell phone charging lockers, smart vending lockers, smart storage lockers, smart tool management lockers, and smart material management lockers. As a professional manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of smart lockers, Baiwei boasts a dedicated software development team capable of both customizing solutions to meet client needs and continuously optimizing existing programs to ensure iterative updates to software systems, thereby guaranteeing that products remain perfectly aligned with market developments. The company has a modern smart production base spanning over 10,000 square meters, fully equipped with a complete production line including laser cutting, precision bending, seamless welding, electrostatic spraying, rigorous quality inspection, assembly, and finished product testing, implementing rigorous, multi-tiered quality control throughout the entire process from sheet metal raw material processing to final product shipment. Baiwei Company is deeply rooted in the local market while expanding its global business footprint, leveraging its strong R&D capabilities and modern production facilities. The company continues to expand into overseas markets, providing reliable smart solutions to customers worldwide. To date, Baiwei's smart locker products have been exported to more than 80 countries and regions around the world. Thanks to their superior product quality and professional, comprehensive after-sales and maintenance services, they have gained widespread recognition in international markets and earned the high trust and praise of global partners.